Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're quite well, and today I have big bundle of flares. Here is 118 atoms of flares. These files are in CMYK color. That's mean printable files. All files are PSD, mean Photoshop CC with preview photo and PSD file. So the property of these files here is wow, 9.99 GB. That's mean total is 10 GB, and here is total files are contents 446 in 132 folders. Here are all type of flares like fitness, business, or nightclub, anywhere, any festival. Here is Halloween party flares. There you see the flares, and here is preview. Next is here is fitness. Two files in with three files with different colors. Here is green, blue, and red. Next is it's party. Okay, and here is events player 2018, but you can remove it right 2021. Same here and same here. Okay, autumn festival. Okay, business corporate flares. Here is PSD file in three different color. Wow, you see here is club flares, club sound. Same here, file. Here is fitness gym in three different colors. So next is like fitness, and same as its future sound flares for music or singer. Here is girls night PSD, and you can adjust your own photo or your client photo. Same here, go pair. Okay, and marketing agency. Here is Merry Christmas holiday templates, and here is business flare. So I drag this file to Photoshop. Simply you see here in layer area every layers have a folder, and this is a mask, and so I clear this. Okay, and here we need a PNG image. Replace it, and here is shape, you see, and here is a background. Extract background folder, you see. Okay, you can remove it. And these files are protected password in video. Kindly for data, kindly full watch for data. Here is party flare. We need a PNG image, and last is club and steady flares. Okay, and here is house triple. Okay. Christmas magic lemon drink. Wow, you can remove it by DJ sound. Here is fitness post. Oh, and here is main corporate flares. You can edit it. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, and here is main file or preview. You can add your own PNG photo, that's mean without background. For example, I remove it and open any other photo like this one and drag there. I think these are high definition. Oh, like this. Depend your own choice, you can make more better. No, and I close this file and open last file. I know you have no time. Business flare. Wow, but here we need a PNG file for photo here without background. Business flare. Simply here we need a PNG, so I drag this file to Photoshop, delete it and replace it like this. Converted low resolution 2000. Enter, and you can remove any color like this. Okay, I know you can edit it. These are very simple files, are full customizable. And I open last file. Here is fitness, and I drag this file to Photoshop. These are last file. Open with. Okay, we need image, replace image. Okay, and open image back like this. Drag there. Okay, so here is our flare is ready. Okay. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel for more free graphics data, and subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri SK Official. Take care. Allah Hafiz.